Hello everyone, this is me Sneha. This video is in collaboration with Geeta Patil's art studio, which is located in Kalaburgi, Karnataka. I created this wall painting as a makeover for the art studio. Let me take you through the whole process of this wall art. So first, I primed the wall with whitewash for a clean base layer. Then using HB pencil, I drew the concept. Concept से याद आया that I was told to make something abstract, mystical with a hint of Lord Krishna, Saint Mirabai and Goddess Saraswati. I thought about it, how can I combine these three and make it look enchanting? Luckily, Pinterest was to my rescue and I added my touch of bold strokes and some add-ons. So stick till the end of the video to find out what those add-ons are. And those following me on Instagram asking about which colors I used for this wall art, then these are acrylic colors by our favorite brand Camlin. I've been using Camlin products since like childhood and it has always been a part of my creative journey. Comment down below if you too have been using Camel art supplies since like forever. So coming to the size of this wall art, it's about 56 by 80 inches and it took me an average of 72 hours to complete. Oh damn, that's too much and also exhausting. But honestly, I enjoyed every bit of the process. That's the thing of passion. You never get tired. Instead, feel all recharged. And I'm done with the painting part and it's time to apply some varnish. Varnish helps protect the painting to stay intact in long run and also add some shine. So here are the add-ons I was talking about at the beginning of the video. These are peacock feathers, tiny mirrors and some glow paints. Mirrors give that extra dazzling effect. And here's how it looks finally. And this is how it looks when lights are turned off. Glow paints making it look mystical. I hope you loved watching this video. If you want such interesting wall, you can drop a message in the email given below in description box. Until next time, see you in my next video.